I was part of the property production support team, and we received tickets about problems in different countries in America. We would have code fixes, and then we would go through tests and then have a code review with our team to make sure we fixed it right.
The skills that I learned during university that I thought I could apply during the internship was the general problem solving skills that comes with programming. I was also able to use some aspects of some of the database work that I've done.
In university I done a Java module, and I was programming in Java actually in my team, so I was able to use skills from there and enhance them.
The culture and community at Allstate is very warm and friendly. They organise multiple different kinds of events.
Completing the internship was really beneficial because it gave me an idea of what I wanted to do during placement. I discovered I wanted to do UX and UI design.
My favourite aspect of the internship was learning the new technologies and seeing how all your learning in university correlates to being used in a real world scenario.
I would really recommend an internship to anybody that was studying. The amount of experience you get from that, you're enhancing all your skills, and you're also becoming more confident in the technology area. And Allstate's got so many technology areas that there's just so much you can do.